friends, today's recipe simple dal fry. I have taken one a small cup of dal, that is a half cup of tur dal, half cup of moong dal. Tur dal little bit acidic, so I'm adding moong dal also, half cup tur dal, half cup moong dal, and 4 cup of water. 3 cup or 4 cup as you want thickness you can adjust, but before dal keeping for cooking you have to keep 20 minutes in water, so dal will be cook us very softly. So I add 2 chilies, little bit jeera, little bit turmeric powder, salt as per taste, and little bit, little 1/4 spoon of oil, small spoon. So now you have to keep cooker for a vessel. You can give on 3 vessel is enough because we kept 20 minutes dal in water before cooking, so it will come very smooth. Now dal is ready, the air also gone, so you can mix it properly with spoon or smasher. So you can see our dal is smoothly cooked. This is very simple easy recipe. You can eat with plain rice or jeera rice or even roti also. This is kadai I'm taking. This is already I have fried in this onion, that's what that oil only I'm using. Add mustard, hot the oil, add mustard half teaspoon, jeera half teaspoon. You can reduce as per quantity. Curry leaves I'm keeping side because the oil is hot and it will start flying. 3 to 4 are green chilies, 2 red chilies, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon. Now आराम से mix it everything. So now add 1 onion finely chopped. So mix it well. It has to be fried properly because dal already ready. So we cannot cook again. So fry it well. Now 2 tomatoes finely chopped. Mix it properly. Now in this we can add little bit turmeric and salt, so it will cook a very smooth and fast. So that's what whenever you are frying onion tomato you can add turmeric and salt. It will be uh, cook softly. That's what this is the trick we have to use while cooking. You try it once and your experience will tell you how it is. So allow it to fry everything. It has to fry it smooth and soft. See, this is almost, it is fried properly. Now if you want you can add little bit more turmeric. Dal is there, if you want you can add it, otherwise you can skip it. The red chili powder as your wish you can add or you can skip. I have added because I like a little bit spicy, so I have added a small spoon to red chili powder, and I'm mixing. I'm giving 1 minute to cook this all masalas. Other masala don't use, otherwise it will destroy the dal taste. You have to add maximum this much only, don't add more masalas. Now cooked dal you can mix in this. So all together mix it. This is a very easy and simple recipe, definitely try it. I know every Indians like this recipe because it is a very easy simple healthy recipe. You can eat, if you are doing that you reduce the oil and you can only dal you can consume for dinner. This is a rich protein source. So mix it, give one boil for this. So our simple dal tadka dal fry is ready. Now we can off the flame and we can add the coriander finely chopped. Definitely add the coriander because it will give very nice taste. So our simple dal recipe is ready. Definitely try it guys. It is a very easy, simple and healthy also. You can eat with plain rice, jeera rice, roti. Otherwise simply you can eat. You can see the color, texture, richness is a very tasty. Definitely try it, guys. If you like my videos, hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video and thanks for supporting. Thanks a lot.